We start with 1 hour chart. We want to analyze the XRP versus Bitcoin. If we refer to our analysis, when the price we get this down move, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, we have to wait, and we mentioned mostly we can expect to look for reversal. Anyway, the price reversed and we didn't have really good trade setup, but any trade we get was a short term. Right now we're looking at this. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We start with daily chart. Right. Based on daily chart, we want to see whether this one we can put in relative to this for this flat. And what we wants to see whether the next move can give us a reversal with the breakout of top of this flat or not. As we can see, the price of Bitcoin is almost in the maintained the uptrend, but the XRP is not moving really fast. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful. And if we move to forward chart, all right. Based on forward chart, technically we can put these two ends relative to each other for one more drop as a flat. All right. That's why if we want to look for buy, again, we need to be really careful. And any trade we get, we consider as a short term. Since we get this sharp move, this correction of like, still we can look for trade for buy, but we consider as a short term buy. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. And beside that, if we get any buy which is not moving, we should be aware of this flat mostly if there is a this one turn to a correction, we can get one more drop. And if we want to look for sell, either the price from here or if the price move higher, any sharp move flag, we can take the trade for sell. For sure, in terms of this risk and reward, sell can give us better trade setup. And even if we see any sharp move flag there, we can confirm that the price is going to retest the previous low. This is where we are not going to look for buy, but still we can look for this one. Any trade from here, we can look for buy as a short term similar to any of this. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. It's not a really good trade setup, but if we get, we take it and we start to manage it. And as I say, we need to be aware of this flat. If we get any sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any proper trade setup can give us better rather than the short term trade, I will share. Thanks.